Okay, guys, so welcome to the next episode of Speed Sculpting. So in this part, I sculpted Hellboy from movie and comics. So when I sculpted him. When I finished sculpting him, I thought that he looks really nice, and it's really nice sculpt. But then after I don't know 1 hour, and after I gave I show it to my friends, it's they said that it's okay, but it doesn't look really nice. But it's okay. So I looked at him again, and I realized that he really doesn't look greatest. But I was proud of him at the beginning, but now I realize that I think this was the foremost the worst sculpt that I sculpted. But I'm learning, so it's okay. And it was quite hard for me. I think that I took the big challenge that I wasn't ready yet for. I wasn't ready yet for it. I don't know how to say it, but I wasn't ready to sculpt him good and within 1 hour. So I screw up. I overestimated my skills, and you shouldn't overestimate your skills. So in the next episode, I took the easier. Not in the next part. I chose an easier model to sculpt after I screw up this one, but it's learning path. So I know that now I have to choose wisely what I can sculpt, what my skills are ready for. So another mistake that I made when I was sculpting him, that I went to high details too fast. So basically as you know, that basically I always start from the small detail. So I define the landmarks, the basic shapes, and then I go to high details. But in this one, I don't know why I went straight to high details, because I really want him to look stylized, and I want each line on his face to be sharp as hell. And that's why I went for high details, because you can see now I'm making those sharp edges and flat planes, which looks very stylized, but you need very high details for them to work. And I think that's why I make a mistake, and I will not repeat that in the future, because now I think that I've done 1 week straight sculpting. So I finished 1 week of sculpting, and when I was thinking how long will I drag this, so how long will I keep on going and keep on sculpting, I thought to myself that not too long, because I have a very important exam in, I don't know, 2 months or less than 2 months, and I have to study for it a bit. Also I have exams in the schools and homeworks, etc. So I will not have time to edit everything in time. So you will see me not posting every day, but I will try to sculpt every day, and when I will have free time, I will try to edit everything and do a commentary and upload it. But I basically planned that after 1 week I will finish. 1 week I will do only the head, so I will study the anatomy of the head, and after 1 week I will do something different, which is, I don't know, torso of the male and female, and I don't know, arms, legs, everything. So actually I'm now at the eighth day, so I finished the heads, and I started sculpting the torso. I actually finished it, and I think it looks very nice, but I will do a commentary on it in the other part. So okay, what can I say about him? Also I used a reference board that I use also for the Nick Fury, but I forgot to put the image on the screen in his video, but now I will do it. So because I forgot, so now I'll put it. So okay, so I will put it right now. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the board, and it looks very nice, and yeah, you can see the artist that I took inspiration from, and those models are great, and I tried to put the best pieces from each artwork to this my model, but yeah, it didn't turn out the greatest. And also I thought to myself, maybe I can make something easier with Hellboy, so like chibi style Hellboy, but I thought that it will be too easy and he will not resemble Hellboy at all, or very little. So yeah, I went full mode on Hellboy and tried to make him more comic style, not like in the movie. And yeah, I added a neck, as you can see here, because yeah, it make my model look better with the neck. Yeah, it is always nice to add a neck if you have time for it. So I basically add a simple neck, so he will look more man. And as you can see now, it is already, the detail is too big, it's too much. And this is the early stages, and I shouldn't sculpt on this high resolution, but I'm stupid. So don't go straight forward to high details, guys, and don't make the same mistake as me. And if I remember correctly, I spent 15 minutes on this character, on his hair, because he has this weird hair and beard. I still don't know how to say it. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I spent a good 15 minutes on him, and it will look like a crab, but he looked better with the hair. Okay, so guys, I think that I don't have nothing more to say. So enjoy my time lapse. Oh yeah, my blender crashed, so I will try. Okay, it's back. Yeah, remember always to save your file, because Blender 2.8 will crash sometimes. So yeah, enjoy my sculpt. So goodbye, guys, and if I will have something more to say, I will come back. So goodbye for now. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I can say one more thing. Yeah, if you want have stylized model, you basically have to make sharp edges, and the easiest way is to basically have a very high detail. And if you detail flat fill your whole mesh, so everything will have the same detail, then you can uncheck the din topo, and you can use the pinch brush to pinch the vertices closer to each other. But guys, I don't remember if I said that before, but I think I did. Not in this video, but in other. But yeah, I think I said that. So just keep watching, guys. So thank you, goodbye again. Maybe I'll come back. Okay, guys, so yeah, here I started sculpting his hair, and don't blame me, guys, for not. Yeah, you'll see that I basically I was stressed basically because I had really I was short on time, and I wanted to make his hair to look somehow good from at least from the sides. and I didn't make the back hair. So basically his hair from behind is not connected to each other, and he has a gap between his head. Yeah, it looks awful, but I did only the render from the front view, so no one will see it. Yeah, so remember guys, if something is not visible, just don't bother with it. If you want to render only the front view, only sculpt the front view. And here I changed my detail to be very high, and I make my hair look more stylized by scraping the flat edges. And now I just use the crease brush to make some fake creases that the hair has. And I did them very quickly because I didn't have time. And first I made the hair because I thought that it will be visible in the front view, but then when I went back to front view, I saw that the hair is not visible, so basically I waste my time. But then I realized that I can make his head to be slimmer, and I can pull out his ear more far away from the head, and also the hair. So the hair will be a little bit more visible. So yeah guys, so I think that's it, and see you in the next one. This is not the greatest sculpt, but it looks okay. So I also wanted to finish it. So this is the end result, and see you guys in the next one.